Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off HD video option on Zoom meetings or Zoom workplace. So all you have to do now is open more or settings. You can scroll down and try to search meetings. Here we go. This is the meeting settings. You can tap it. Here you can adjust or you can configure your audio, your video, and general, and also meeting reminder and captioning. And I want to show you how you can turn off the HD audio or video on video sub option. Here, turn off my video, mirror my video, show video preview, and this is the HD audio. You can turn this off and done. This is how you do it to turn off HD video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.